In the previous video, we looked at the direction of rotation of gears in a gear train. Now we are going to look at how to find the speed of rotation. The speed in revolutions per minute, or RPM, of the driven gear is equal to the speed in RPM of the driver gear multiplied by the ratio of the number of teeth in the driver divided by the number of teeth in the driven. We will multiply by the ratio of driver teeth to driven teeth anytime we have teeth that mesh. In this example, we want to find the speed of gear D. We know that gear A is rotating at 370 RPM and has 60 teeth. Gear B has 48 teeth. Gear C has 45 teeth. And gear D has 15 teeth. It is helpful to first set up your equation before multiplying any numbers. The speed of gear D is equal to the speed of gear A multiplied by the gear ratio wherever teeth mesh. So we have A teeth divided by B teeth, B teeth divided by C teeth, C teeth divided by D teeth. Substituting in our values, we have 370 RPM for the speed of gear A, 60 teeth divided by 48 teeth, 48 teeth divided by 45 teeth, and 45 teeth divided by 15 teeth. Multiplying by everything in the numerator and dividing by everything in the denominator, we end up with the speed of gear D being 1,480 RPM. If you look closely at this problem, we see we would get the same result even if we omitted the two gears in the middle. We can omit these gears since their teeth mesh, and therefore they have no effect on the gear ratio between gear A and gear D, so they have no effect on the speed of gear D. This next example is a little bit different. Here we have gears in a gear train where all of the teeth do not mesh. We want to again find the angular speed of gear D. The speed of gear A is 160 RPM and it has 45 teeth. Gear B has 30 teeth. Gear C has 48 teeth. And gear D has 20 teeth. Notice that gear B does not drive gear C, so we don't want to use this gear ratio in our speed calculation. Writing out what our formula should be, we have the speed of D equals the speed of A multiplied by A teeth divided by B teeth, since their teeth mesh, and C teeth divided by D teeth, since their teeth mesh. Substituting in 160 RPM for the speed of A, 45 teeth divided by 30 teeth, and 48 teeth divided by 20 teeth, multiplying everything across in the numerator and dividing by everything in the denominator, we get the speed of gear D to be 576 RPM. In the next video, we will switch gears and discuss pulleys.